Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your post on the Nextdoor app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to post on Nextdoor and you want to find some recent posts that you might have made to see if there's been any replies. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to find your post on the Nextdoor app, there's actually multiple ways you can go ahead about doing this. One way to do it is that if you click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner, then click on your profile picture again, scroll down, and you're going to see posts and your activity. So for example, I just made a post there and it's appearing under here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your post on the Nextdoor app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.